This is the National Weather Service in Pontiac, Michigan, serving the Detroit-Flint metropolitan area. Time is 10:30 p.m. Here is the local forecast for tonight. It was 77 degrees, mostly cloudy, with some isolated chances for a thunderstorm before midnight tonight. Wind speeds ranging from 13 to 17 miles per hour, with some gusts as high as 22 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 55%. What? SCP-001. When day breaks. Who? Rhinoceros Tooth 257. When? Unknown date. Time 10 to 15 minutes. What? Tulsa tornado disaster. Who? General public. When? Unknown date. Time 1 hour to 2 hours. What? OKC bombing up scenario. Who? General